Hey everyone! How are you all doing today? Today, I'll show you 50 buildings. English words. Let's enjoy learning together. Take it easy. Library. Library. Museum. Museum. School. School. Hospital. Hospital. Church. Church. Mosque. Mosque. Temple. Temple. Theater. Theater. Courtroom. Courtroom. Airport. Airport. Bus stop. Bus stop. Train station. Train station. Post office. Post office. Police station. Police station. Fire station. Fire station. Bank. Bank. Hotel. Hotel. Restaurant. Restaurant. Cafe. Cafe. Supermarket. Supermarket. Shopping mall. Shopping mall. Stadium. Stadium. Gymnasium. Gymnasium. Swimming pool. Swimming pool. Park. Park. Playground. Playground. Zoo. Zoo. Aquarium. Aquarium. City hall. City hall. Government building. Government building. Convention center. Convention center. Prison. Prison. Warehouse. Warehouse. Factory. Factory. Power plant. Power plant. Parking lot. Parking lot. Gas station. Gas station. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. Clinic. Clinic. Laundromat. Laundromat. Community center. Community center. Embassy. Embassy. Consulate. Consulate. Hotel lobby. Hotel lobby. Stadium seat. Stadium seat. Food court. Food court. Rooftop. Rooftop. Mansion. mansion, balcony, balcony, bridge, bridge. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and use it to review and learn anytime. See you in the next video.